Hi Tom. How are you today?
Hi Mia. I am fine, thanks. How about you?
I am good. What does Sarah usually do after school?
Sarah usually goes to the dance class after school. She loves dancing. What about your brother? Does he play any sports?
No, he doesn't play any sports. He prefers reading books. He reads a lot of science fiction.
That's interesting. Do you enjoy reading too?
Yes, I do, but I also like playing volleyball. Do you and your sister watch TV together in the evening?
No, we don't watch TV together. She prefers watching movies on her laptop. I usually play video games instead.
My sister and I love watching TV shows together. We have a lot of fun. Does your mom cook dinner every night?
Yes, she does. She cooks delicious meals. Does your dad help with the cooking?
No, he doesn't cook often, but he helps with the dishes. What time does your family have dinner?
We usually have dinner at 7 p.m. After dinner, my dad reads the newspaper and my mom likes to knit.
My parents like to go for a walk after dinner. They enjoy the fresh air.
That sounds nice. Do you have any pets?
Yes, we have a dog. He loves playing in the backyard. Do you have any pets?
No, we don't have any pets. My sister is allergic to cats and dogs.
Oh, that's too bad. Pets are a lot of fun.
Yes, they are. Well, I have to go to my next class now. See you later, Mia.
See you later, Tom. Have a great day.